I'm Thomas Schermerhorn, and you're watching another drawing, illustrations, and art video. And I'd like to thank anyone who reads the blog for reading the blog and checking that out. In this video, I want to talk about environments, but first things first, the drawing in the background. It's a part of my Man vs. Giant series. This is how far I've gotten. It's a thumbnail for a much bigger piece and so forth. And I probably should have done a really small piece. And I actually thought that I didn't thumbnail this, but I found some thumbnails of something that sort of looks similar, so I'm thinking that that was the basis for it. Anyways, I've been thinking lately about the environments I'm making and my drawing, how I can create depth and contrast in a world where it's not real, where it's just imagination. It's just all in my head, and I get these things to where I can get these things to seem real and stand out, like it's real. So as part of my pursuit to create my own reference, I've decided to try models, maquettes, and dioramas. I think that this will help me with my work. I like creating realistic worlds, achieving depths and contrasts, and capturing a realistic world. I think I said that, though, already, didn't I? But when it comes to finding reference for what's in the imagination, there's not much to go on, and so I hope to create reference based on this. Who's kidding? I wanted to try this, and so forth. I bought a diorama, but it didn't come with any instructions, so I'm sort of looking for things that I can do and so forth. I also have some Daz clay, so I might try that and whatnot. Anyways, I'd like to know what you guys think about this, so on and so forth. The whole models and models are expensive. I might look into making my own models, and if I can't do that, I'll probably go and buy them, right? Buy toys and so forth to use and whatnot. But yeah, that's it. Thank you for checking out this video. Tell me what you think in the description below. Tell me what you think about the drawing in the description below. I'm still working on it, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.